All right, so today I'm thrilled to share with you an exciting development in the world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI has recently released a plugin called the Code Interpreter used in ChatGPT. All right, and this feature is not just a step forward, it's a quantum leap in the capabilities of artificial intelligence. So, what is Code Interpreter in ChatGPT? That's what the plugin is for. It's actually a plugin for ChatGPT, which allows the AI to run code. All right. So this AI allows ChatGPT to run codes. That's the code interpreter. And not just that, it helps it to analyze data, to create charts, to edit files, and to perform some mathematical operations. So it's like having a personal data scientist at your disposal, having a personal data scientist at your disposal ready to help you make sense of complex data and provide actionable insight. So in few moments from now, you're going to see what I've been talking about so far. But I want you to understand that this ChatGPT is, the code interpreter is only available to those that are subscribed to the plus plan of a ChatGPT. So if you have not subscribed to it, you may not be able to use this feature, right? So it's only available for to all ChatGPT Plus users, and it can be enabled through your account settings. So right in front of me here, I have my account logged in already, ChatGPT logged in. And if you have not created an account, kindly create an account, log into your platform, and you come over to see it. So these are my available conversations on the platform. So come over to this place and then tap on this and go to settings. And under settings, there's the option here that says beta features. Now, ensure that you enable the code interpreter. Now, once you've enabled it, just tap this close and then head over to your chat GPT-4 here, the GPT-4, and then make sure you click on the code interpreter here. All right. Now, once you've done that, you notice what happens that in the default chat GPT, all right, there is no plus sign when you're about sending a message or using the conversation box here. But once you have activated the or enabled the code interpreter, we have a plus button. So this allows you to upload files. Now, what you are basically going to be doing is that we have a data set containing the top 75 apps on Play Store. All right, top 75 apps on Play Store. Let's head over to see. All right, it's going to be an EdTech platform. So this is the data we are going to be analyzing from Cargo, top 75 EdTech apps in Play Store. Right, so I already have this data downloaded to my PC. So what you're basically going to be doing now is to start analyzing this data. Okay. All right, so let's start analyzing the data. So head over to ChatGPT. Then in the plus sign here, we want to upload a file which we downloaded to our system. And here we are uploading the data as CSV file. Right, so I'll leave the data in the comments or anywhere you are in the video here. There's going to be a place where I'll drop this file. So you download it, then you start using it. It's in CSV format and click on open. So what happens? You just allow the platform to complete loading the file. Now I'm going to give it a prompt. Um, using the above, using the data set, you don't need to tell if it's above or below. Using the data sets, kindly datasets kindly carry out data analysis on it. So let's start from there now and let's see what's happening. So it says working on it. The system, the platform is actually working on it. Now it has finished working on the system. So it says the data set seems to be about various educational apps available on Google Play Store. Wow, this is wonderful. So the system already knows that these apps are from Play Store, Google Play Store. All right. And it's also giving us the different column names available. And if you happen to visit this data here, let's say we happen to open the data here. So let's see something here. We notice what happens. We have the title, summary, install, the exact column names that are here. ChatGPT or the code interpreter has gone through it and provided us with every information about these things. So let's get back to our data, our platform. Let's get back to here. So it's telling us now that there's a column called summary. It's a brief summary of what the app does. So if you go here, and then let's check. So it's telling us here we have Udemy app. It archives your goals with online courses in coding. So it's a kind of summary about what the app is. And ChatGPT has let us know that. So, okay. So it says this is a summary statistics for the numerical columns and a whole lot of stuff. So you can also tell ChatGPT, kindly carry out more data analysis on it. Let's see what happens. So what you're basically saying is that this platform is not just for data scientists, it's basically a tool for anyone who needs to analyze data. So if you have little knowledge of data analysis, you can upload your data files, provided you have a little knowledge of it. You can use this to carry out data analysis, and you can see what happens. So it can automate complex, quantities analysis. It can merge. In fact, it can merge and clean data, and even reason about data in a human-like manner. So this is a very powerful tool which I would want everyone to go through and learn. All right, and I can also do something. We can also say, okay, from the data here, from the data which I provided, the CSV formats, okay, please get me the top 20 apps on Play Store with their number of reviews and scores. So this is what it's doing. All right, it's even putting it in a tabular format. Wow. So this is the number of reviews in all the apps and also number of scores. So if you head over to your CSV format and check Duolingo app, all right, you notice that we have the same number of 592,133 reviews. 592,133 reviews. And you can check the score here. All right, that is, sorry, 4.57 here. 4.57. All right, you can also tell ChatGPT to extract for you the URL of these apps. So let's do that. Please extract for me the URL of these top apps. Right, let's say for example the Duolingo once you click on it, it takes you to the Google Play Store. Wow, this is beautiful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. So this is how to use ChatGPT as a data analyst to carry out data analysis with the help of this code interpreter plugin enabled for only Plus users of the platform.